Yeah, because I don't want them feel like they're like second option, third option, fourth
Exactly.
option.
They don't need to know where they fall.
No, but
on
that's
the
how
ranking.
No,
you
but
put
that's
them-
how I am going
That's
to
that's
feel.
how I feel about it.
No,
yeah.
because
I don't want to be
go
I know we have the third
I
option.
don't want you as second option for you.
Exactly. I don't want her. I don't want the girl that I like to know she's the third option. Are you crazy? I can't look at you the same way. You're not, brother. You're not.
And then
It's
years
almost
down
like
the line,
it's almost like
no.
picking a Charles chocolate over a Snickers.
Right? And years down the line now when
Brother,
me have
I cannot do
Alzheimer's-
that to her.
When me have Alzheimer's and
Yeah,
they
call
on
them
knock on
something
wood, and me I tell my great grandpickney say,
Yeah.
boy, you know say,
Sheila, should I do with you?
yeah.
I'm there with your grandmother instead.
Yes, me end up with a granny.
Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want.
I
that
don't
I
want.
don't want that from
No.
Because the whole heap of people are
But I
second
got you.
option.
Listen,
Second option,
I'm in a
yeah.
second option
To
relationship.
each their own.
Nah, brother.
Carry
Can't
the
teach.
basket that you can manage
Sweet
to carry.
bag.
Okay.